Izzy, Dizzy Izzy. The world is spinning round and round. Which way is up, which way is down? Landing my feet back on the ground. Tuning in to the sound of my heart calling me right back home in my body. And I'm here now.
Merry Christmas!
Hello, my name is Dizzy Izzy. Welcome to this safe and special place to practice yoga and travel through time and space. We'll make shapes with our bodies and breathe in and breathe out. Be still and quiet and shake it all about. We have a lot to learn and a lot to explore, so come sit down on the floor. I'm so excited because it's almost Christmas time. So let's get started breathing through our nose and doing some belly breathing, just like Santa, hands on your belly. And as you breathe in, your belly grows a little. And as you breathe out, your belly gently comes back in. Breathe in and out. One more time. Breathe in and out. Now we're ready to make some gingerbread man cookies. But what ingredients do we need? Reaching to one side for some flour. There it is. And scoop it in the bowl. Reaching over to the other side for some sugar. And scoop it in. Twisting to one side for some maple syrup. There it is. And glug, 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 glug. Twisting to the other side for some ginger. There it is, the perfect spice. Sprinkle it in. And then for the secret ingredient, reach up high to the top cupboard. Don't tell anybody what the secret ingredient is. And sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Ready to stir it all up with our bodies. Big circles in the bowl. And the other way. It's looking good. That's perfect. Ready to pour onto the tray and make some gingerbread man shapes. So stretch out your legs, cut out some shapes, doop, 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 doop. Arms up high like your oven door, and then put in your tray of cookies. Turn on the oven, whoop, timer on, and then lying down like a gingerbread man, feet out wide, palms up, and let's have a little rest here. You can even close your eyes and breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And then give your knees a hug to give yourself some love this Christmas. You can rock from side to side. This is also good for your digestion, for all those delicious things that you'll be eating this Christmas. And then imagine you're a snowball and roll your body back and up, back and up, back and up. And then bring your feet together and your knees out wide as we're going to start decorating for Christmas, making a Christmas wreath. Can you roll your head in a circle? That's it. And the other way. This wreath is made out of Christmas holly. Breathe in and breathe out, hanging your wreath on the door. There, that's lovely. Now there's another decoration, but it's a little bit cheeky and it keeps moving around the room when I'm not looking. It's an elf on a shelf. can you bend one knee, cross that foot over the other knee, bring the arm up high and bring it behind. Your opposite arm up and bend your elbow to the outside of your knee and look behind and give a cheeky wave. Back to the front. Let's swap legs. So bend your other knee, cross that foot over the other knee, arm up high, arm behind, opposite arm up, bend your elbow to the outside of the knee and a cheeky wave, and then look over your back shoulder. Back to the front and shake out your legs. I wonder what mischief this elf is going to get up to in the night. Now we need to decorate our Christmas table. So onto your knees and fluff up your finest tablecloth. There, lovely. Now we're going to decorate our table and place some bonbons on the table. Extend one arm forward and your opposite leg back. Should we test out this bonbon and see if the cracker's working? Pull from each side, whoop, and crack. Sounds pretty good. Let's try another one. Other arm forward, opposite leg back. Pull from each side, ooh, and crack. Sometimes inside a bonbon, there might be a silly Christmas crown or a funny joke. We've almost forgotten something. Coming into Christmas tree pose, we need grounded feet. Then shift your weight to one foot. Place the other foot to the inside of the ankle, or higher to the shin, or lift it to the inner thigh, and then bring your hands together at your heart. Maybe you can bring your hands up high like the point of the tree. And then we'll string some Christmas lights, so arms out wide, and then twinkle your fingers. Now let's try the other leg. So shift your weight to the other foot now to the inside of the ankle, to the shin, or lift it up to your inner thigh and bring your hands to your heart. Slowly you can bring the hands up high like the point of the tree, and then bring arms out wide and twinkle your Christmas lights. It looks magnificent. And then bring your feet back to the ground. Can you smell that? Breathe in and out. Our gingerbread cookies are ready. We need to leave them out for Santa, so place them on a plate. What else? Maybe a cup of milk and a carrot for the reindeer. Speaking of Santa, I wonder where he is right now. If we close our eyes, we can transport ourselves to the North Pole. Close your eyes and breathe in and out. And then open them. We're here at the North Pole. Bring your hands up high. Maybe you can come onto your toes at the most northern point in the world, home of Santa. And then bring your feet back on the ground. Look up, it's snowing. Jump your feet out wide and bend your knees with your elbows out wide like a snowflake as the snow falls down on your face. And then jump back together. There are hundreds of giant candy canes and they all lead to Santa's workshop. So coming into candy cane pose, ground one foot, lift up the other knee, bend that bottom leg. You can have your arms out wide for balance, and then cross the knee over the other, one arm under the other arm, and wrap the arms. Maybe connect the hands, and you can even wrap that bottom foot around the other leg. Strong and twisted candy. And then coming up, let's try the other leg. So shift your weight to the other foot. Lift up the knee, maybe have arms out for balance. Bend the bottom leg, cross the knee over the other, one arm under the other, and wrap your arms. You can wrap that foot around the bottom of the leg. Strong and twisted candy. And then coming up, we're here at Santa's workshop. And there are so many little helpers around. Can you jump from hill to hill like a cheeky, cheeky elf? These little helpers are on ice skates and they're passing presents and toys to each other as they prepare for the deliveries. Coming into ice skater pose, ground one foot and see if you can catch the inside of your back ankle and lift your other arm up high. You can stay here or tilt your body forwards. Imagine you have a string on your back foot, lifting it up high, passing the present to another little helper. And back up, and let's try the other leg. So shift your weight to the other foot. Catch the inside of your back ankle. Arm up high. Maybe tilt the body forwards. Passing the present to a little helper. And back up. There seems to be a lot of commotion. That's because Santa's here. Can you pat your belly and swing your hips around? Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. It's time for Santa to hop in his sleigh. Coming down to the ground, Santa hops in his sleigh. So balancing on your bottom, hold your thighs, float your feet up and balance here. The reindeer are all lined up. 1, 2, 3, yippee! Ho, ho, ho! And they're off and they're flying across the world. But who's guiding the sleigh? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Coming into reindeer pose, bring your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. And then tuck your toes and lift up your hips to the sky. You can lower the head, you can lower your heels and take a breath here. In and out. And then pedal out through your feet like you're frolicking hooves. Getting ready to land on the first roof. On the count of 3, see if you can jump and land somewhere near your hands. 1, 2, 3, and jump. Landing on the roof as Santa gets ready to go down the chimney and wiggle, 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 wiggle. Uh-oh, hugging your knees. Santa's stuck. He wiggles some more. Ooh, legs in the air. He wiggles his legs and he did it as he crashes to the ground, hugging your knees. This room is beautiful. It's lit up by candlelight. Coming into candlestick pose, bring your elbows to the ground and see if you can lift up your hips and catch them. Whoop. Legs in the air like a flickering candle. It's beautiful. And then bring your knees to your chest and lower your hips back to the ground to hug your knees. And then rock back and roll up as Santa dusts off the soot from his body. Look, there are those gingerbread cookies that we left out. Santa gobbles them all up. Om nom 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 nom. Oh, ho, 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 delicious. Oh, when he has a glass of milk and he feeds his reindeer the carrots. Nom 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 nom. Now it's time for Santa to place the presents under the tree. On your knees, gently place the presents. And then coming into present pose, you can bring your hands to your heart and close your eyes. As we give what we can this Christmas to those in need, and we receive gifts with thanks, we are so grateful. Feeling the excitement inside, you can bring your arms to the sides of your body and breathe in. And then breathe out, leaning forwards. You can bring the head to the ground like a present, full of surprises. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. And then coming up slowly, because we've come to the end now of our Christmas adventure. But you can lie down for a little bit longer as more magic awaits. The time has come to let your body rest. Lie down on the floor and listen your best. Rest your toes, feet, ankles, lower legs and knees. There's nothing to do, just simply breathe. Rest your thighs, hips, belly and chest. Wave upon wave, breath after breath. Rest your shoulders, upper arms and elbows, lower arms, wrists, hands, fingers. Every part flows. Now rest your neck and your whole head. There are no words that need to be said. Silent and still in the endless space. A soft expression across your face. Rest your forehead, eyes, ears, mouth and nose. In goes the breath and out it goes. Rest your cheeks, chin and jaw. Every body part is relaxed for a little bit more before it's time for you to rise. In your head, count to 5. Connect to the ground, move nice and slow, wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Raise your arms overhead, one last big stretch and a full breath. And then roll over to the side. Sit up and close your eyes. Bring your hands to your heart. One more thing before we part. I am strong, I am brave, I am gentle and kind. I am bright and happy in my body and mind. Now open your eyes. Until the next time, the weather may change, but the sun will shine.